Hello friends, so in today's video I'll be sharing an amazing new feature of our app for Google Business Profile Management, that is Geo-Grid Checker. Yes, you can check position of your profile on different locations on a map and of your competitors as well on a particular keyword through our app, that too available in a free version, and that too without adding a business. Without adding your business, just by a Google Auth you can check that for any profile in this world and get a scanned saved report as well, and many more features for a premium. So I'll show you everything in the video step by step. So guys, as you can see, this is a profile open. This is tools.localseotools.tips.com, which is a web version of GBPGM tool. If you are doing it through app, then it will be done in the similar way. You'll find this card like you can see here, and there is a button check business visibility. I have to just do a Google Auth with any of my Gmail accounts, whether there is profile added on that account or not, doesn't matter. You don't need to add a profile in this for checking this in a free version. So you'll just go and click on check business visibility. So a simple grid like format, as you can see, opens up whether you are doing it through your mobile app or you are doing it through web. In the both cases you will see this interface. Guys, here you have to add a business. Like you can see, I have just done scanning of one of the business which is already added there. I have to add a business. Say I go for a business and I add that business. So this is a business I have added, and you can see these are the grid points because I have taken 3 into 3 grid, and you can go up to 15 into 15 grid, but that is available only in the free premium version. So in free version you can go up to 7 into 7 grids where 49 credits are used, guys, and you can change the kilometers. You can change this parameter from kilometers to mile as you wish. This is the distance between these 2 points, guys. Now you have to provide a keyword. And guys, also what you can do is you can actually disable any of these coordinates if you don't want. Like say for example, this is coming over some lake or sea kind of thing where I don't need it actually. So what I can do, I can disable it. Otherwise I can just move this particular point as well. Also I can move this point as well, which is not there in this free version, that I'll show you in the premium version in this video once we move ahead. But what for now, I'll just disable these points which I don't need. So the number of points which I disable, accordingly I'll be charged for these tokens, right? So currently I'm doing it only for these 5 positions. What I'll do is I'll do best. This is a keyword for this particular profile, and I'll just click on scan. So guys, you can see it's on the first position on each of the 5 locations. As we can see, I'll just click on any of these locations and you'll see complete details about this profile. Not only this profile, all the competitors which it could find nearby. You can see all those competitors listed and their positioning on that particular point as well. You can see this is on the first place. I'll just show you some other point also. Let's click on this point and it's on the first place, guys. Similarly, you can check it for different grid positions. Now when you have checked this report, now if you want the saved version of this report for future reference, then you have to add business to this particular app, which you can do it because you need to access that menu where this option is given. Without adding a business, the menus are not available. So now let's go and add a business, which I've already done for you. Just to show you, I'll just click on this get started button. If you are doing it for the first time, then you have to select a country, then again do a sign up from the profile or email where you have profiles. So I already have added these, and I'll just select any one of these and go inside the app. In the app you have these type of menus. In a mobile device it will be shown beneath. Under you can see all the menu options. where you will go to tools, and from tools you will go to Geo-Grid Checker, guys. And in Geo-Grid Checker, you will, when you click here, this is my business, means the business I have just logged in through. You will see this particular profile for which we have just done the scanning, guys. So here also, guys, you have a complete interface where you can find complete 15 into 15 grid, which was not available outside, and it depends on the amount of tokens left. If your tokens are finished, then you can always buy these tokens, which are very affordable, very low price tokens available. Again, as I told you, you can choose your kilometers, whether it's kilometers or miles. That also you can change, guys. You can change the grid and take it to 15 into 15 grid as well, which is very dense, as you can see. And you can just add another keyword and start scanning. Without adding the keyword, you cannot scan it, guys. Now let's see the report which we scanned outside. For that, you have to go to this view reports option, where you have to select that business which we scanned outside just now. You can see we have just scanned into 3 into 3 grid and radius of 1 kilometer, average rank of 1, it was there. SITT in the top 3, share in top 3 was 100, guys. When you click on this view scan report, you will be able to see this scan report. You can see we disabled few points, and the similar way you can see here. Here also you can click and find the position chart with all the competitors. This instance will be saved, whether it changes in future, because this is a saved report, guys. Second is, guys, view competitor report, which offers you some advanced features, like it shows you all your competitors, and you can check the position of the competitors on this particular profile. You can click any of the competitors, and in the saved report also you can check it, and it's showing much more competitors than it was showing outside. It's showing around 28 competitors. The number of competitors you can find, it will show you all those, guys. And if say I find that particular profile which we scanned, you can see this is here. I'll just select, and you can see it's on that first position, guys. So this is a competitor report. Other than this, you can remove this scan. In the 3 dots, you will find schedule auto scan for this particular keyword, and same things, size of grid and all. You can create a schedule scan which will automatically scan at a back end. You don't need to worry, and it will provide you an email intimation that the scan has been done. You can click and watch the report for your reference. So that helps you actually focus on different things, not just remembering whether you have to scan. So you can schedule a scan of some particular date, so that you can get to know the positions and you can work accordingly on those keywords, guys. So you can schedule a scan, you can download a CSV. CSV looks like something like this. As you can see, this is an Excel file where all the position of that particular scan will be shown in the summary. In the detail section, you will be able to see all the competitors with their position, latitude, longitude. In the business section, further more details about the competitors, their address, their categories, their rating, reviews, and place ID. So much information we are providing, that too in the free version. In case of premium version, you have download as PDF option and share option, which I'll just show you by logging into a premium version. So this was all for the free version. You must be liking this report. Do try this report and let us know what are your feedback on this report, guys. So now I'll just log into a premium account and show you the premium features left. So guys, I am on my premium account, and you can see this icon of this crown kind of thing in yellow color, means all my profiles are premium. I'll just select any of these profiles and move to our option of Geo-Grid Checker, which comes under this tool section, then Geo-Grid Checker, and this is my interface, guys. You can see all these options are enabled. I can create any report in this I can create any report in this. I can search for my business as well as any other business by adding that particular business, which is my competitor. I can choose from kilometers. Say I select 2 kilometers and I select a 7x7 grid, as you can see. Or guys, I told you, you can move your grid lines, grid points here, like say for example, if any of these positions, say for example I search for some other profile like we did in our free account also. The same profile I have selected, and you can see few points are lying on this lake kind of thing which I don't need. So what I'll do is I'll move them away from here so that I can check some other areas instead of this particular region, which will not be of any use because no one is going to search on the lake, or on the lake there is no other competitor of mine. So I have just removed all these points which were on this lake part, and now this is how it looks like, and you can actually change it according to your needs and requirements as well. Now we'll run a scan again on this, which is in a 2 kilometer range. So guys, this is a position which I have received by running this scan. Earlier we got one, and you can see mostly in the middle region, in the most grid part, this the position of this profile is 1 only on that keyword. In some further areas it's higher, like if you click here you will be able to see the position is 19th. We'll scroll down and show you this is the 19th position, and all other competitors it's listing, guys. Similarly, you can check it for any of these positions. Now as far as the report is concerned, you can go to the report section, you can select this particular profile, guys. This is a scan we have just run now. It's 7x7 grid with 2 kilometer radius, average rank of 3.73. It's not 1, guys, because at few positions it was a higher one, and share in top 3 is also 69.39% and not 100%. Now similarly you can see the scan report as we saw earlier also in the same position where we have placed those locations pointers, and you can view the competitors report as well with the same set of grid position. You can actually check any of your competitors as well. Other than that, guys, I told you in the premium version the option of PDF and share is enabled. Now I'll click on the share option. You will get this particular link which you can share with anyone on WhatsApp, Facebook or email. You can share it with your client and share the live report with them, which will be very useful for them. And guys, when we see the PDF part, you have to click on download as PDF. In a new tab on your browser, this PDF opens up, which you can download or save or print whatever you want. And the report, as you can see, AR was 3.73, SITT was 69.39, and we search for a 7x7 grid covering 16 square kilometers because our coordinates were in a 2 kilometer range in between. And you can see all the businesses it's showing with their coordinates, average rating and SITT, guys. So accordingly you can get this PDF report, which also you can share with your client in the premium version. So guys, this was all in Geo-Grid Checker. All the options we have created here are the advanced one, and if you have any queries regarding that, you can always contact our support, guys, and we'll be there with some more new exciting feature in our coming up videos. Thanks for watching this video.